Hi, this is Guld with Geeks on Tour, and in this video I want to show you how to add text to a border of a photo using the free Snapseed app. So I'm going to open up Snapseed. This happens to be a Samsung, but it works the same on an iPhone, and I tap the plus to open a photo. Or if you're using Google Photos, you can open the photo first and then go to Snapseed. See video number 699 on how to do that. I'm going to open this picture of Jim, and I want it to say Mr. Geek at the bottom, but I want it to be on a specific border on the bottom. To do that, I'll go to Tools and Expand. Now with Expand, you have a choice of the expanded area being black, white, or smart. I want to choose black. I drag that down, and I now have a black border. Check mark. Tools and Text. Double tap here to change text. Double tap. Now I have text to be replaced, and I type Mr. Geek and OK. Now I can move that down into the border. I like it. I tap the check mark. I export and save.